Merry Christmas and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, we're going to discuss ideas for safe things to do during the holiday, Christmas 2020.
Number 1. Create Christmas cards for neighbors and friends. Use construction paper and recycled items to create one-of-a-kind cards, or the ones you buy are just fine as well.
Number 2. Make ornaments out of clay.
You can either buy clay or make your own salt dough clay. Number 3. Find outdoor events in your community to attend where you can maintain safe physical distance. If there is snow, you can build a snowman or have a snowball fight or go sledding like we used to do. Number 5. Take a Christmas lights seeing drive. Make it special by packing holiday snacks like Christmas cookies and hot cocoa in a thermos. You could also keep it healthy and pack veggie sticks and ranch dressing. Number 6. Give Christmas cards to the houses that have your favorite lighting display. Let them know how much their efforts to spread the holiday spirit means to you. Perhaps you could also gift a homemade ornament.
You can go caroling. All you need is your phone and maybe a personal portable speaker like this. Happy holidays to you. I gotta make it up or they charge me. So thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and stick around and watch more videos. All right, well, have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and Happy New Year. Take care, y'all.